What's up, everybody, and welcome to the video. Ryan from the MXG channel here, and you guys know I put out that first impressions video last week of the new motocross game MX vs ATV Legends. Let me just say it caught a lot of flack at the beginning because of a few glitches and issues it had with traction. Let me just say they've put out a patch, they put out an update, which improved a lot of those, and the longer I play this game, the more I enjoy it, especially once you start to unlock bikes and move through the career mode and all that, but that's a different video. In this video, I want to talk about what to do if the game's feeling super slow and boring to you, which it can feel in third person, especially on a 125 or a stock 250F. Guys, this is first person mode you're watching right now, and it's one of my favorite first person modes from any first person views from any game I've played, moto game I've played thus far. I love seeing more than just the fender, seeing the bars and a little, some of the tank and some of the seat, depending on where you're positioned on the bike. Reminds me, it's just like a GoPro chin mount view that I run on a lot of my real world riding videos on here, so I love it. And let me tell you, the entire gameplay experience has changed. You can tell by looking at the screen right now. See how much faster the game feels? And also, it's not just the speed, but it seems like you can hook a turn and turn better. It seems like you ride out of ruts a little. I mean, right there I crashed, but it seems like a rut in a corner, you can kind of snag it better and make the turn. Seems like you can turn sharper. I don't know what it is. It's like the whole physics of the game are changed because of that view or something. But let me tell you, especially once I built my bike, I started smoking all the AI guys on the easy level, and so I started racing medium level, and then I got to where I was smoking them on the medium level, and then I switched to the medium level and run first person, which is what I'm in right now. And obviously that's a whole different ball game. So some tracks I can do pretty well and win on, and then this track at Thunder Valley I was not doing very well on this round. But I mean, guys, if you can literally feel your heart rate rise when you play in this mode. You kind of hit some of these jumps. Let's see, I think there's a big one coming up here. You'll hit one of these jumps, and it's like it makes it way harder to tell if you're going to come up short or if you're going to over jump it. And whenever you land one of these perfectly in first person mode, you get that same feeling you get when you land one perfectly in real life. Like I don't know, I can't describe it, but you guys that ride motocross will know exactly what I'm talking about. When you just clear a jump perfectly and smoothly, you get that same feeling on this game. So the only thing I wish is that the graphics were a little sharper in the game altogether, but especially in this view. To me, the front fender just seems kind of washed out. Everything seems a little washed out. The dirt doesn't look as good as it does in the Monster Energy Supercross games. But the gameplay, guys, as far as the gameplay, the rider physics, I like this game, I think, more than any other one ever, except for maybe Reflex or something. But the rider physics and rider position seem a little off to me on the Monster Energy Supercross games. Sometimes the rider just looks funny in what he's doing, and this game, everything seems pretty realistic. So I'm really digging it. So obviously, when I go back to play online, I switch back to the third person mode because I'm a little better in it. But this view right here is definitely the most fun way to play this game and have a little bit of an adrenaline rush, especially when you're playing the pro motocross tracks, which you can buy as an additional pack on any of the systems you're on. So, and I've had a lot of people ask me, how'd you get the real bikes and the real tracks? Guys, I just bought the $80 version from the Xbox store. It gives you I think it's like 6 AMA Pro motocross tracks, and it gives you KTM's, Cowies, Yamahas, Suzuki's, Hondas, Huskies. I think that's it. But the regular base game is $39, and yeah, $40 seems like a lot to pay for, you know, just different colors and names. But these Pro National tracks really made it worth it. They just make the game feel a lot more in-depth and fun. Now the national tracks that come on the game actually aren't that bad, but being able to play the real ones is ultimate, right, guys? So, all right, I hope you all like this. Just wanted to show you, you know, what it looks like to play first person, and I definitely want to reiterate again, this changes the entire experience of the gameplay of MX vs ATV Legends. So, if you wrote it off those first couple days, come back, play it after the patch, play it in first person, play it on built bikes, and let me know what you think after that in the comments. I'm going to do some other videos, probably showing you guys the compound and going over, you know, telling you more about the story mode, and I'll record some online gameplay as well. I've had a little time on the couch here recently because of a new baby in the family, so I appreciate all you all so much. If you want to support the channel, hit the subscribe button. If you like the video, hit the like. If you disliked it, hit the dislike, and I'll see you all in the next one.